Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two of the most talked about DDR5 RAM kits on the market, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB and the G.SKILL Flare X5 series. Both of these kits offer impressive specifications, but they cater to different audiences and budgets. In this video, we will break down their features, pricing, and performance to help you decide which one is right for your build. When it comes to price, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB is priced at just $149, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the G.SKILL Flare X5 series comes with a hefty price tag of $899. This significant difference in price reflects the target audience and the features offered by each product. In terms of features, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB stands out with its vibrant RGB lighting, making it a visually appealing choice for gamers and PC builders who want to showcase their setups. On the other hand, the G.SKILL Flare X5 series focuses on performance and stability, offering a low-profile design that is optimized for AMD Ryzen systems. While the Flare X5 lacks RGB, it excels in providing a seamless experience for high-end users. Finally, the target audience for these two RAM kits differs significantly. The TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB is aimed at budget gamers looking for decent performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the G.SKILL Flare X5 series is designed for high-end enthusiasts who prioritize top-tier performance and stability, particularly in AMD-based systems. This distinction is crucial when deciding which RAM kit to choose. In conclusion, both the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta RGB and the G.SKILL Flare X5 series DDR5 RAM kits offer unique advantages depending on your needs. If you're looking for affordability and RGB aesthetics, the T-Force Delta is a fantastic choice. However, if you are an enthusiast seeking premium performance and are willing to invest more, the G.SKILL Flare X5 is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.